everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another grocery haul video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an Aldi haul, and also I started using ButcherBox, so I want to share with you my first ButcherBox delivery. I've actually been wanting to try them for a while now, and I decided to give them a try, so I'm going to share that haul after this one. I did an Aldi Instacart delivery today, so I'm going to share with you what I got from there. As always, I will share the WW points and calories for a lot of the stuff, not everything, but keep in mind that WW, of course, we all have our personal points, so these are just my personal points that I'm sharing. So I'm going to start down here with my fruits and vegetables, which for me, fruits and vegetables are 0. So I got some red onion, some Brussels sprouts, cucumbers, some bananas, some green onions, blueberries, Roma tomatoes, grapes. I also got some frozen blueberries, a couple things of green leaf lettuce, which actually I had planned on using these for a lunch that I was going to do. I was going to do tuna on a bed of lettuce this week, but I decided to do a tuna pasta salad instead. So I did an Instacart delivery, so I forgot to go back in and remove those. But that's okay. What I'm going to do is just take this to work with me and it will definitely get eaten up. I also got some spinach. I got some orange juice. That's the 50 calories per 1 cup and 2 points for a cup. I got this protein oat pancake and waffle mix. I haven't had this brand before, so let me know in the comments if you've tried this one. For this one, it's 7 points for half a cup dry and 220 calories. So I'll see if I like that. I also got some mushrooms, some white potatoes. For these white potatoes, they are 60 calories for 2/3 of a cup. And if you're counting points, they're 1 point for 2/3 of a cup. You can actually have the whole can for 3 points. So just to kind of give you an idea of how much is in there, there's 2.5 servings per container. So if you eat the whole can, then it becomes 160 calories. When I have those, I usually have like half of the can. I also got some more of the garlic hummus that we like. For this kind, it's 1 point for 2 tablespoons and 70 calories, as opposed to, I think some of the hummus we get is like 2 or 3 points. And then I got some of these pub style pretzels. These are my husband's favorite. For these ones, it's 3 points for about 15 of them. Actually, I think it scanned out 3 points for about 16 when I scanned it in the WW app. And then 120 calories for about 15. But usually what I do is just weigh them out. So 28 grams for the 3 points. And then I got some gallon bags. I like to use the reusable bags, but I do like these gallon bags for some things, especially if I'm doing like any slow cooker freezer meals or something. I don't like to use the reusable bags for those. I just don't feel like they get enough air out to put them in the freezer. I also got a thing of potatoes. These are 3 points for each potato, or 110 calories. I got some more of the Baby Bell cheese, but I forgot we still had some cheese from when I got it at Sam's Club, so we'll just have a few more in there. For these, it's 3 points or 70 calories. I also got some turkey kielbasa. These are 3 points or 90 calories for 2 ounces. I also got some chicken breakfast sausage. We really like these for breakfast. These are 1 point per link or 45 calories. Picked up a thing of eggs, 70 calories, and if you count your eggs, 2 points. And then I ordered some hash browns, but they didn't have the regular shredded hash browns, so they gave me these, which is fine. I'm actually going to be making a breakfast casserole to bring to work this week. And usually when I make a breakfast casserole, I like to put the shredded hash browns down on the bottom of the pan first, but that's just fine. I can just line these up on the bottom of the pan. So these are 4 points for 1 patty or 120 calories. I got this part skim mozzarella. This is 3 points for 1/4 of a cup or 80 calories. I got a couple things of those. I also got some string cheese, 3 points for each one or 80 calories. And then some reduced fat Mexican. I actually prefer to get the block of the Mexican and shred it myself, but they didn't have any, so I got this. For this kind, it's 4 points or 90 calories for 1/4 of a cup. So that's my Aldi haul this week, and I did use Instacart. I'll put a link down below if you've ever tried Instacart. So now I'm going to move on and show you my ButcherBox haul. Okay, so I have been hearing so much about ButcherBox. I hear so many good things about them, and I thought I'm going to give them a try for myself and see what all the fuss is all about. So I do want to mention that this is not sponsored, and nor did I receive this box for free. I purchased this box myself, just signed up and purchased it myself, so they didn't send this to me in exchange for a video. I'm doing this completely on my own. So I chose the custom box, and I chose the one that was, I believe it was $159, but I did get $30 off by using somebody's code. So I'll leave a code down below so you can enjoy $30 off as well. You get $30 off and free ground beef for life. They send you 2 pounds of ground beef for each time that you get a delivery. So I'm gonna cut this box open and we're gonna see what the meat looks like. So ButcherBox is supposed to be very high quality organic meat, so I really wanted to give it a try. So immediately upon opening the box, it's got some box disposal instructions, and then there is dry ice in there. So the first thing I have is some Alaskan sockeye salmon. This is wild caught salmon. This is 2 pounds worth, so I did choose this and also cod, so I'll show you that in a minute. And then here is the wild caught Alaskan cod. This is, again, 2 pounds. So I'm going to stick this clip in here. I wanted to show you the assortment of the sizes. Some of them are thicker, and then some of them are more like the tail, where they're thinner. So it's just an assortment of sizes in there. And then for the cod, the same thing, except the cod pieces do seem to be a little bit thicker than the salmon. These are grass-fed beef top sirloin steaks. So there are 4 steaks there. I also got some chicken breasts. So it looks like this is 3.39 pounds. And I'm not sure how they come. I can't tell if that's just one great big. It looks like there's a couple there. And then I also chose a whole chicken. And the size of the chicken is 4.87 pounds. Next, I got a couple things of ground turkey. So this is only 1 gram of fat, so I wasn't sure whether this would be, you know, ground turkey with a lot of fat on it, but it's only 1 gram of fat in each 4-ounce serving. So that's what I picked for my box, and then here's my 2 pounds of grass-fed ground beef. These are what I get for free every time I get a box delivered. So here's everything I ended up with, and like I said, this ended up being $129 after my $30 discount and free shipping. So I'm very anxious to see how this tastes. I'm excited to try it out this week. So after I try it, I'll let you know my thoughts. So again, if you want to try out ButcherBox, I'll put a link down below. You'll get $30 off plus free ground beef for life, which basically is 2 pounds of ground beef for every box that you purchase for as long as you're a member. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.